Why do not a number values equal true when cast as boolean in Python/NumPy? When casting a NumPy not a number value as a boolean, it becomes true, for example as follows. This is the exact opposite to what I would intuitively expect. Is there a sound principle underlying this behavior? I suspect there might be, as the same behavior seems to occur in Octave.
This is in no way NumPy specific, but is consistent with how Python treats NA and S. The rules are spelled out in the documentation. I think it could be reasonably argued that the truth value of NaN should be false. However, this is not how the language works right now. Python truth value testing states that the following values are considered false. 0 of any numeric type, for example 0, 0 liters, 0.0, 0j. NumPy probably chose to stick with this behavior and prevent NaN from evaluating to false in a Boolean context. Note however that you can use numpy.isNaN to test for NaN.
.0 is the only falsy float value because that's what the language designers decided would be most useful. NumPy simply follows along. It would be weird to have bool np.nan be false when bool float nan is true. I think it is probably because that's how things work with integers. Admittedly, integers have no nan or int types of values, but I suppose that special cases aren't special enough to break the rules.
NumPy follows the Python standard for truth testing here. Any numeric type evaluates to false if and only if its numerical value is 0. Note that truth testing with NaN values can be unintuitive in other ways as well. For example, NaN equals NaN evaluates to false.
If you want to tell 7 more, press on Shiver Streaming.